Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. There's a commitment this evening from the Finance Minister, Dr. Nigel Clark, to revisit the asset tax requirement for financial institutions. Now, in the past, financial entities have argued that the tax is burdensome and unnecessary. Every registered company in Jamaica is expected to make an annual declaration of the value of its assets and pay taxes on them. But many banks argue that their asset taxes are too high, and the finance minister agrees, pledging this morning to take a closer look at the taxes.
The asset tax for financial institutions, we recognize as, my view, of not being a good tax. It's a tax that's distortionary, it's taxing the creation of assets. And as the opportunity arises, it is something that we will look at.
Last year, the finance minister announced $14 billion in tax cuts, which included the abolition of asset taxes for non-financial institutions. Fast forward to today, and financial institutions are demanding their piece of the pie. But Dr. Clark isn't making any commitments regarding when financial institutions might see the changes they've been longing for.
I can't, at this time, give any time commitment for it. That requires a lot of analysis. It does take in a fair amount of revenue, and therefore the conditions would have to be right. But there's no doubt that in principle, it's something that I share the view that it is distortionary.
The Bank of Jamaica BOJ is introducing a new instrument for authorized dealers in foreign exchange called the FX swap arrangement. This instrument is intended to enhance the bank's management of the foreign exchange market and provide US dollar liquidity to the market. Now, under the FX swap arrangement, the central bank will sell US dollars to authorized dealers within a predetermined limit at the prevailing market rate. Now, the central bank will also make an agreement to buy back the same amount of US dollars in the future at an agreed forward rate. Now, the BOJ says in addition to its usual B-Fix-It operations, it will utilize the FX swap arrangement to smooth out excess volatility and restore orderly conditions in the market. To currency trading now, it ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.56. The Canadian currency sold for $107.80. The pound is going for $183.36, while the euro closed the day at $156.92. The JSE index gained 402 points today, while the junior market index declined by 24 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group 7.75% US dollar preference shares, Victoria Mutual Investments, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, Jamaica Producers Group, and Jamaica Broilers Group. On the losing side were iCreate, Key Insurance, Iron Rock Insurance, Derrimon Trading, and CAC 2000. And that's the Business Day. I'm Andrew Laidley. Good evening.